Thai Tenderloin Waterfall salad. It's not some fancy creation, it's just things that get thrown into the pan and created. Don't forget to subscribe, hit on the bell icon as I walk you through one of my favorite salads that's new every time in the making. Let's get to it. So into a cast iron, nice and hot, goes in nearly 20 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Near smoking temperature, in goes nearly 12 cloves of garlic just bruised up, along with 2-inch piece of Thai ginger or the famed and glorious beautiful galangal. Just allow it to sweat and stain, flavor the entire oil for a minute to a minute and a half. As you see the garlic beginning to crink up and the Thai ginger permeating your kitchen, in goes 12 bird-eye chilies. Now we want the spice, and that's the only spice in this creation. Allow that to sweat along with the 2 ingredients here, spluttering away, along with nearly 4 inches of lemongrass just roughly cut. The reason this is called a waterfall salad because I just throw everything into this and stir fry this. Into that goes a whole lot of herby goodness with some pandan leaves, some basil, some kaffir lime leaves, all going in. Just eyeball them in because you want them to have most amount of flavor when you throw in the tenderloin. A minute of sweating and rather stir frying this. I'm just having fun out here. In goes 150 grams of canned water chestnuts. And just sweat them as well. While everything has got nearly toasty and slightly crunchy, and that's the beauty about working with a cast iron, it does most of the work for you. In goes nearly 600 grams of thinly sliced tenderloin. I'm just going to allow it to stir fry on the highest possible temperature. While this has stir fried really well for 4 to 5 minutes, all this needs is a generous splashing of some fish sauce to balance out all the flavors that a Thai meal brings to your table. Once you add that, just take a teaspoon of raw powder, jaggery powder, put that in and give this a quick stir so that it slightly caramelizes and the flavors intensify. I'm going to season this with some Szechuan peppercorn salt so that the flavors are sharp. Now go liberal over here or watch based on the fish sauce that you've added. As I said, it's a waterfall salad, everything thrown in. A quick stir, and finally in goes something that I love about Thai cooking, and that is morning glory leaves. So a large bunch of them just going right in the center. And toss the whole thing up. This cooks in about 10 to 20 seconds. It's that fast. While this is nearly ready, all I'm going to do is switch off the flame. I've let the morning glory wilt and some be wilted half done just to add that depth. In goes about 150 grams of these baby Thai red radish just cut into half to bring the colors out. This is a decadent meal ready either to enjoy all by itself or on a bed of arugula lettuce. As we allow the tenderloin, or rather the stir-fried, come down to room temperature, you just need to toss it in about 150 grams of arugula to get a very new age twisted version of this waterfall salad. Garnishing it is all about styling it up. So here I've got some mustard crest just going on top and some edible flowers, and of late I've been falling in love with these, so this salad warrants it. Just sprinkle them on top and have a very beautiful lunch or brunch in wonder. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous creation with me. The flavors are intense, yet it's a very, very simple style. I call it a waterfall because I just throw things into the pan. Create your versions of it, and don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a comment below.